What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were the game? What about killing fields? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we've shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shores? What have we've done to the world? Look what we've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? What about flowering fields? Is there a time? What about all the dreams that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the children dead from war? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore? I used to dream, I used to glance beyond the stars. Now I don't know where we are, although I know drifting
Hey bro,
Hey bro, how are you?
good. Where are we, bro?
Oh bro, we're in paradise. Look at this place.
Holy shit.
Lockdown in paradise.
Look at the limestone cave and the limestone formation.
It's unbelievable. It's like a big wave. We're locked down in paradise, bro.
Exactly like Kopanga in Thailand, no? What do you think, bro?
Probably better. I think better.
Better.
Nobody. Raw nature.
Okay, bro, let's go explore one of the cave.
Come on, let's go. Let's have a look.
Okay.